Have you ever pondered upon the future of software engineering? Have you wondered how artificial intelligence might play a pivotal role in shaping this future? Well, the future is closer than you think. Welcome to the world of Devin, the first AI software engineer. In the world of software engineering, the traditional approach has been to manually write code, debug errors, and update systems. This requires a high level of expertise, a keen eye for detail, and countless hours spent in front of a computer screen. The process is often time-consuming and can be fraught with human error. But imagine a world where software can design, write, and debug its own code. A world where updates and system improvements happen in real time, without the need for human intervention. This is the world of AI-driven software engineering. Devin, the first AI software engineer, embodies this new world. Devin is not just a tool, it's a revolution. With its ability to learn, adapt, and improve, Devin has the potential to dramatically transform the landscape of software engineering. In contrast to traditional software engineering, AI-driven software engineering leverages machine learning and data analysis to automate the coding process. It's like having a digital colleague who never sleeps, never takes a break, and constantly learns from its past experiences. But it's not just about speed and efficiency. AI-driven software engineering also brings a level of accuracy and precision that is simply unattainable with human coders. Devin, for instance, can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, identifying patterns and trends that would take a human days or even weeks to discern. Output. However, this doesn't mean that traditional software engineering is becoming obsolete. On the contrary, the advent of AI-driven software engineering is opening up new opportunities for human engineers. It's about augmenting human capabilities, not replacing them. AI can handle the tedious, repetitive tasks, freeing up human engineers to focus on more complex, creative aspects of software development. So, what does this mean for the future of software engineering? It means a future where coding is faster, more efficient, and more precise. A future where human engineers are free to innovate and create without being bogged down by mundane tasks. To summarize, the introduction of AI into the world of software engineering is not a threat, but an opportunity for efficiency, precision, and creativity. With AI like Devin leading the charge, the future of software engineering looks bright indeed. But remember, the future is not set in stone. It's shaped by the choices we make today. So as we stand on the brink of this new era in software engineering, the question is not whether AI will replace human engineers. The question is, how will we, as a society, choose to leverage this powerful new tool? How will we use AI to enhance our capabilities, to push the boundaries of what's possible, and to build a better, more efficient future? Only time will tell. And in the meantime, Devin, the first AI software engineer, is here to lead the way.